Helo, Smai, Bore da, Prynhawn da. My name is Gwyn, and I am Pavo's Welsh Language Development Officer in charge of running the Active Offer project. A project designed to support third sector organisations in conforming to the service level agreements issued by public funders in regards to the use of Welsh language within your services. Now, what is the Active Offer, I hear you ask? Well, the Active Offer is more of a state in which your organisation exists to offer a service in Welsh without someone having to ask for it, to take the responsibility off of the service user and place it onto the service provider. As the Iaith Gymraeg has official status here in Wales, those who wish to receive their services in Welsh have every right to receive just that. But I like to stress, this is not a process that will happen overnight and requires the whole organisation to be on board and working towards delivering a healthy, active offer. So, where to get started? I run fortnightly sessions every first and third Wednesday of the month called You, a Gymraeg and Your Organisation. In these sessions, I explain more about what your organisation could be doing, how to improve on what you're doing already, and to learn a few things about the Welsh language. Do you yourself already know a little bit of Gymraeg or would like to learn a few handy phrases? See, we all know our bore das and our semais and our prynhawn das, but adding a little more goes such a long way. Tan tro nesaf. Hwyl am y tro. Gobeithio'ch bod chi'n cadw'n iawn. Let me help you in giving them a go. So join me for these informal sessions focused on experience sharing. What works for you? What kind of support do you need? And also, have a look at these upcoming sessions I have on that include formal training on the Active Offer, as well as a language awareness session with Dysgu Gymraeg aimed towards increasing your knowledge and understanding of the Welsh language in Wales today. Help me help you get started with this important work so that we can all make more of an effort when it comes to the Iaith Gymraeg.